What are 1769 King James Version errors doing in the Book of Mormon? Prophets speak for God, and what they say is the will of God. It is the truth as revealed by God to man on earth. So, you ask, why are these errors in the Book of Mormon? Well, the question is really asking is, why does the prophet Joseph Smith disagree with modern scholars? And the answer to that question is very simple, is to flip it over and ask instead, why don't the scholars agree with the prophet? Because we know the prophet speaks for God. Therefore, what the prophet is saying is right. If Joseph Smith translated it to say that, then that is the correct translation, and these scholars are wrong. It doesn't matter what they say, it doesn't matter what their learning is, it doesn't matter what their education is. They're wrong because the prophet said they're wrong. It's as simple as that. If the prophet says that it is right, then the scholars are wrong, because the prophet speaks for God. That is my answer, my response to the question of why the King James errors are in the Book of Mormon.